Morning. There are two interesting news affecting markets right now. One, the continuous improvement with COVID vaccines and the planned release in the US and worldwide. And then two, Joe Biden's plan to nominate former Fed Chair Janet Yellen to serve as his Treasury Secretary. Both news were welcomed by Wall Street, but also didn't have a massive impact. So the S&P is up less than 1%, the Nasdaq edged down slightly, the dollar rose along with Treasury yields, and then maybe the more interesting and dramatic move was gold, going down 1.6% and breaking through a support line at 1,860. In the crypto space, there's movement, and there always seems to be these days. In a previous briefing, we floated the idea that Bitcoin would need to stagnate for a bit in order for alts to play catch up, and it seems that just that happened. So Bitcoin is closing flat on the day, yet another doji candle, currently at 18,355. But alts, on the other hand, made a decided comeback. So Ethereum boldly pushed through $600, up 8% on the day. And to give a broader context, it's up 360% since January 1st. That's a massive return and massive outperformance. And then all the alts followed. Cardano up 4%, Stellar closed the day 23% up, Tezos up 13%, Ripple pumping 34%. So the list goes on, but the picture remains the same. We're up 10%, 20%, or in some cases 30%. The Bitcoin Dominance Index is down at 62.5 from the 68 we saw before this weekend. And so it'll be interesting to see if now investors choose to rotate back into Bitcoin and lock in some gains, or if they ride the momentum with alts. It's also interesting to look at the BTC Perps funding rate, which right now is being paid by the people who are long to the people who are short. And it might become so attractive that people then tend to become short and push markets the other way. Lastly, to finish on a more fundamental note, the only news I want to talk about is PayPal CEO's interview on CNBC, where he says that pretty much they will enable cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, but cryptocurrencies, to be used as the base for payment across maybe 20 million merchants that is in their ecosystem. So basically anybody who wants to pay could use cryptocurrency as the basis for the transaction. That's a big news for the space and something to really look at and see how it unfolds. That's all for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. Also, if you've seen or have been watching the video this far, feel free to like and subscribe on YouTube or on whichever platform you're looking at.